I grew from 0 to over 800,000 followers on my personal brand across several social media, plus my faceless pages to 1.5 million followers, which is about 2.3 million followers in total. And they continuously continue to grow. In this video, I'm gonna show you an AI tool that will help you achieve similar results and grow your first 10,000 followers, or if you already have a following, it will help you grow it even more. By the way guys, we are giving away one yearly plan for free for the best comment on this video. So make sure you like the video and let us know what you think in the comments, and the most liked comment will win the yearly plan on March 31st. Let's go. Now, before I show you the tool, first I want to show you my results. So only on Facebook, I got 16 million views in the last 30 days. I'm not monetized yet, but that day will come. I got 13 million views on Threads, and I also post on Instagram, X, LinkedIn, on many socials. So I get about 30 to 50 million views every single month. And these are the kind of posts that I create inside ViralSky in 10 seconds and just copy paste on socials, and they go viral often. And here you can see I say this post was made with ViralSky in 10 seconds. But of course, it's not a guarantee to go viral every single time, okay? I'm gonna be honest here. But if you just keep the volume and post at least once a day, you will go viral sooner or later. I created ViralSky to make it easier for everyone to make viral content, because in ChatGPT or Claude, you always have to prompt, right? You have to write prompts to create content. This barrier was totally removed inside ViralSky, and let me show you how. So if you go to viralsky.ai and after you log in, you click on generate, you will see this whole menu with all the options. And the main point is that you can generate the ideas inside this platform for your content, and then also generate threads and posts, or also news, and generate images about any topic or any niche. So let me show you how it works step by step. If you go to idea generator, you can simply choose the niche which you are in, okay? This is not just for AI creators. You can be in a beauty or fitness niche and just enter the topic here. But let's say I'm gonna click on business and startups. I'm gonna go with Claude as an AI provider and generate 10 ideas. And it literally took 2 seconds. Here are 10 ideas. You can simply copy paste inside ViralSky and create a post with this button, or you can go ahead and click on create post, and it will take that text and it is now here, and you're inside thread generator. So you can either generate a thread out of this or a simple post on Facebook. Since posts working really well for me on Facebook, you can choose this output format Facebook. I'm gonna keep viral writing style, but you can choose any of these you want. Also emojis, I don't really use them, so I'm gonna keep none. And I'm also gonna go with Claude again. Now I'll just hit generate, and it will literally create the post in a few seconds. Now, this is how the post looks like. You can see that this was the title basically, and here's the first sentence, which is your hook, the first thing people will see when you post it online. And it looks pretty nice, right? You have the formatting, normal sentences, then some bullet points, and all kinds of data. People like to read about data, and the tone of voice is very specific and trained, so it doesn't look like AI wrote it. But of course, if you don't like anything about this post, you can still hit regenerate or edit and just change anything about this post. But if you're satisfied with the result, you can just copy it and post it online. But posts without images are not good enough, right? Usually you expect some visual to stimulate people's brains. So either you can generate an AI image also inside ViralSky, or find a real image on Google. I'm gonna show you how to do both. So first I'm gonna just copy the post so I have it ready. And now we're gonna click on generate image. This will take you into image generator, and here's the prompt already. So either you can choose the template here, or you even don't have to. Here you can choose a template, but it's not necessary. So I'm just gonna go with no template, and I'm gonna choose a realistic style. We will choose Nano Pro, which is currently the best image model, but if there will be better ones, we will add them inside ViralSky. And I'm gonna go with image size landscape, which is 16:9, like YouTube thumbnails. Now I can just hit generate, and we'll wait a few more seconds so we have the image ready. So this is the image we got, but of course sometimes AI makes mistakes, so you don't want the text there maybe. So we can say remove all the text from the image besides NVIDIA and Google logo. Now we're gonna click on regenerate, and hopefully it will correct image on the first try. And here you can see an edited image, and there is no text, just the hands with the logos. Alternatively, you can also click on generate and you don't write anything and it will just give you a similar image. So let's click on that, hit regenerate, and you can generate another image like that. If you don't want to use an AI image for your post, you can simply take image from Google, and let's say this is mainly about NVIDIA, so you can simply Google NVIDIA and check images on Google and take some that look really good. And one small hack that really works is if you use authorities in your pictures, that really works well. So I recommend, if you're mentioning NVIDIA, you should take the image of their CEO, Jensen Huang. So let's say I'm gonna take this one, just save it, then copy the post, go on Facebook, add the image, copy paste the text, and you can see the formatting is okay. There is nothing you have to adjust because sometimes the text is in chunks when you copy it from large language models and other kind of problems. But here you're ready to go and you can just click on next and schedule it or post it straight away. Another popular way to get a lot of views on your social media is just talk about news, right? So if you are in ViralSky and you go here under news generator, you can create content about news in seconds. So you either browse topics and different categories here, or you go into custom topic and you can type your topic here or even article. So let's try and Google AI news, and I'm gonna here into news, and let's pick one that's very interesting and recent. I'm gonna filter it by past 24 hours because you have to write about news ASAP so it gets views, right? So let's have a look what happened. So a lot of people were talking about India summit in New Delhi and how they are trying to also come up with their AI tools. So maybe let's take this article on how they chase DeepSeek moment, and you can simply copy and paste the article here and choose the format. It can be threads, short post, long post, anything you want. Let's say I want to do a LinkedIn or Facebook simple post. I'm also gonna keep Claude for this one, and let's hit generate, and it will basically open the article, copy the text, rewrite it. So you don't have to do it all manually. Like when you have to find the news, then you have to take the text you want, put it in ChatGPT, prompt it the right way. You can forget all those steps because it made a news post about this article in seconds. India just dropped 3 homegrown AI models at their AI Impact Summit, and honestly, this is worth paying attention to. This doesn't sound AI at all. So you even have the sources here, the main one or alternative ones, and if you don't like it, you can also change something about it, turn it into a thread or generate image about it, and everything you generate will be here if you click on view all history. So these are the main tools inside the ViralSky, which you can start using from just $5 a month, and also viral threads. If you don't know how to write, you can simply go here into the templates. First, look at these categories here and pick the one that you're interested in. So let's say I want to look at websites. If you open this one, you can see the posts inside of it. You can also click on tools, for example, and here are some powerful Pinterest alternatives. So click on view full and you can see the whole post as it was posted on social media, and you can also check the post and how it did on social media. So this is the original post on Facebook and it got over 1,000 likes, and I remember it was like 100 or 200,000 views. So you can simply copy paste it on your socials or recreate it in your own style easily. But here are some free tools for everyone too. So if you sign in, this doesn't require any payment, and you can use this to grow your engagement on your profile. So you can see here that I use these viral comments on threads, and you can also use them on Facebook or X to get more engagement to your profile, more followers, etc. These comments got thousands of likes and people just went crazy saying this is an epic comment, I'm screaming, gonna need more chairs. So I made them laugh with a simple thing that I just copy pasted from here, so you can just go ahead, check all these memes here and pick the one you like. So you can do this just for 5 minutes a day to increase engagement on your profile. And it works like this. You scroll, on threads. This is something viral that's been out only 24 hours. So it is cool content. So I'm just gonna copy paste maybe this horse, you don't even have to download the image. I'm just gonna open comments and copy paste it like that and post. And you can do this 10 to 20 times a day and it will improve your profile. If you find some AI content like this, you can also pick memes from here, like this is AI or AI reveal and many others. And another cool thing is you can also copy paste images that went viral. So for example, this one. This was posted on Facebook and it went crazy. It got like over 1,000 or 2,000 likes, and you can simply, download it and post it. And also this one did pretty well. So you can simply save image as, or click here on download, or you can even recreate it with AI. You can click on the star and just turn it into anything you want. You can also use this feature to grow on Facebook specifically. We have over 50 communities here in different niches: AI, content creation, vibe coding. So if you're gonna click on this one, for example, it's gonna take you to the biggest AI Facebook page where you can post your content to grow your following and engagement. So you can use ViralSky to grow on all socials, and it doesn't require any special skill, no prompting at all. Just go to idea generator, generate ideas, then generate posts, and then publish on social media, and just be consistent. This is all it takes to succeed, but you really have to be dedicated and do this for months and months. If you love ViralSky, you can also recommend it to your friend and earn 40% from all the sales that you bring. So if you bring, let's say, 100 referrals, it can be around $1,000 on average. And here you can calculate how much you would earn depending on the number of referrals you could bring. Here's a video that breaks it down, so make sure to watch that, and some FAQ. So go ahead and join. And if you also want to create killer thumbnails and reel covers for your social media, you just click on here under thumbnails, and it will take you to our second tool, which is your Viral AI Thumbnail Designer. And you can create all kinds of killer thumbnails like this inside the tool, and you can also try it for free. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful, and let me know what you think in the comments.